In this video, I'm going to break down how to repair damaged concrete so you can fix cracks, chips, and worn-out surfaces without calling in a pro right away. Concrete repair might sound tricky, but trust me, with the right steps you can handle patch repair, epoxy injection, resurfacing, and crack filling like a champ. First up, always clean the area thoroughly before you start. No dust, dirt, or loose bits allowed, because that stuff messes with the bond. When you're doing patch repair, mix your patching compound exactly how the instructions say. Too dry or too wet, and it won't hold up. For tiny cracks, epoxy injection is clutch because it seeps deep inside and bonds everything back together, but make sure the crack is dry before you do it, or the epoxy won't stick. If your surface is looking rough or has multiple small cracks, resurfacing is the way to go. Just spread a thin layer of resurfacer over the whole thing for a fresh, smooth finish. Crack filling works best on shallow cracks. Grab a good quality concrete filler and push it in with a putty knife so it's flush with the surface. Don't rush your repairs either. Let everything cure fully before walking or driving on it to keep your fixes solid and long-lasting. And remember, safety first, wear gloves and maybe a mask if you're working with powders or strong chemicals. One of the biggest mistakes I see with concrete repair is skipping the cleaning step, which ends up making the patch peel or fall out fast. Another common issue is using the wrong mix ratio for patch compounds or epoxy. You gotta follow those instructions closely, or your repair won't last. Lastly, people often ignore curing times and try to use the concrete too soon, which just ruins all the work you put into it. If you fix these slip-ups, your concrete repair will hold up way better and look cleaner too. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff and do quality work. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for new gigs, it helps you get connected with people who need your skills without all the hassle of hunting down leads yourself.